everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change photo profile on TikTok account. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok account, and after this you can click on a profile at the bottom. This one, click on it, and then in here you just click on edit profile. This one, click on it, and then in here you just click on this one, and after this you can click on select from a gallery, and after this you can choose the photo that you want to use. Maybe this one, you just click on it, and in here you just click on confirm at the bottom, this one, and after this you can set the crop your picture. After this you can click on save at the bottom. Please waiting. And finish. So that how to change photo profile on TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.